Hi guys, it's Mike. Today I'm back with Used on Hoard Test number 33. Wow, embossing powder jewelry. Here it is. I thought that was nice for upcoming festivities. This is what I made a few years ago. There's also a video. I will link it down below if I remember. And I basically used the wow melted powder in but it's a little earring. I'm not sure what they're called. Blanks. Yeah, I tried to do it in the little, well, it's actually a single-use ashtray, but I use it to melt powders. There's also ones that are bigger for tarts and stuff, but these are fine. So I tried to reuse it and peeling it off, and it worked. I do now have the wow embossing gun, which I didn't have last time I did it. I did it on my hot plate. My electric hot plate, and this is a little bit quicker, I have to say, but I think I either didn't use enough powder in my little ashtray, or I didn't heat it enough because it set immediately and I couldn't even pour it. So I thought I'll just do it in here. Make sure you have pliers with good insulation so you don't burn yourself. This is the wow embossing powder clear ultra high. You can see it blowing away. I tried to heat it from below, but this dish of course is really small, so I do advise trying it in your little ashtray pot there. And yeah, making them the same is a little bit more difficult with the powders that I've chosen. It is Queen of Hearts that has red and black and gold and white. It's really beautiful. And I also have the Bang, which is kind of the same but with blue instead of red. And I have Black Magic, which is with gold and silver and black and white. And you just heat it enough. And I couldn't fill it completely with the melt powder because that's really fine. I have 2 pots, but I thought the ultra high embossing powder would fill it more. And I think to give it a nice little dome, I thought I should just put it on top, but it melted in there, so I just put in some more. And then I think I will finish it with glossy accent or resin. Can you see it flying? Because I went really quickly. But yeah, that's the curse of chunky powder, I guess. And then I switched to heat setting 1, so that there's no tornado blowing like with setting 2. And that went better. It takes a little bit longer, but it's fine. You can decide if you want to fill it with resin or a little plastic dome if you have it, or glossy accent. It might take a lot of glossy accent. And if you don't have these jewel blanks, you might try like we used to do in the olden days with enamel powder. Just put them on coins or metal blanks. You can buy those as well if you do those. I'm not sure what a letterslag. It's, you know, when you stamp with letters with metal. I don't know what the name is, but those blanks, metal blanks. And I also have the little gold metal heart shaped pendant. It's not even gold colored, so I don't know why I said that, but here I'm trying to mess with it. They're too small for my delicate hands. I can't handle them. I'm just showing you because you can also use them as embellishment. The round is a little bit big maybe, but I thought it might fit in my earring. It doesn't. It also gives a little bit more depth, so you don't need to fill the whole jewel blank with embossing powder like I was trying to do before. And you can stack the paper, of course, and then just finish it with some glossy accents if you have it. But I didn't do that just yet. This one I went for blue and it disappeared. It went all silver. And then I put Black Magic in it, and also silver. I think that's like with alcohol inks, that the metallics always come to the surface. Sure, there might be a scientific way to explain that, but yeah, that was a bit disappointing. So I put some more on it, and then I fiddle with it, but you have to get to know it. And I have 108 pots of wow, somewhat translucent, so I didn't want to use the really dark blanks. But yeah, I like fiddling with it, and might continue off camera, of course, because I'm still learning. The other time I did this, it was like 4 or 5 years ago, and I did enamel dots, and I still have many left. So anyway, I thought you might like the idea, and it's another way to use up your stash and not hoard it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.